To connect USB drive into the Redmi Note 14S, let me quickly show you how you can do this. First of all, let's make sure that we have the OTG connection enabled. So let's go into the settings, and from here scroll all the way down and go for the additional settings. From here scroll down again, like all the way down, and go for the OTG. By default this option is actually disabled because it automatically turns off after the 10 minutes of an activity, so let's enable this option. And after that, now we are able to connect the USB drive. Sometimes it is possible to connect USB drives into your phone without this OTG option enabled, but just make sure that it is enabled in case if it doesn't work in case of your pen drive. But anyway, right here we have some USB adapter for the SD cards, memory cards, and as we have this OTG enabled, let's simply connect this into our phone. And now, as we have anything connected into our phone, this OTG, now we cannot enable it or disable it, and here's the notification that we have the USB drive connected into our device. So let's tap on this one, and here I can find all of these different files right here. And to eject this USB drive actually from your phone, what you'll have to do is just swipe down and go for this notification, extend it with this arrow and press eject button, and now you can safely remove the pen drive from your phone as this notification disappears. Obviously, also let me just tell you that if you want to actually connect a USB drive into your phone, you will need this USB Type-C connector to plug it into your phone. But in case if your drive has USB-A Type-A connector, you will need to get yourself an USB Type-A Type-C adapter to be able to connect all of these different things into your phone. And that's how you can do this.